Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you can clearly tell, we're making another video like we said. So we're going to be
Smart, did you know Nathan has a GoPro?
We're going to be making some slime, but it's gonna be different. We're gonna be making it with our hands and our hands only. So you ready, Kaylee?
Yep.
Okay, we're just going to do one hand, because just in case we need to open the door and stuff, you know what I mean? Okay, so before we start, subscribe. Kaylee?
What?
Subscribe.
Give this video a thumbs up.
And hit this bell so we can be notified each time we post a new video. So I'm excited, okay? So you'll mix the glue, so just roll your sleeve up. And then I'll mix the other stuff, okay? Okay, mix it in.
It's cold.
So let me see. Okay. Feels good.
It's cold.
It's like
We
really,
should put shaving cream in here.
that's what we're going to do. Okay.
Oh
yeah.
God.
Look at my slime, guys. Okay, what color do you think we should use? Actually, it'll stay in our fingers. Never mind. Okay, now we're just gonna add some activator. Oh my God. Here, try to get all the back stuff. Here, sorry guys. It's actually good. Here, hold on, let me see. Let me see your fingers. And then I'll get it with this. Okay, so it's really fluffy and it's actually good, surprisingly, but not really that stretchy, but we could still play with it. Not that bad. It's easier with a spoon, but like it's easier with, it's hard to explain. Like they're both easy, but mixing with your hand is easier. I don't know how, but mixing with a spoon makes it better. But this time I'm going to do it again and see if it gets better. So I'm just going to put this right here in our bowl, but we're not going to like say it's bad because we're going to find a baggie that we can set it in. So I'm pretty sure I have one. Okay, yeah. So we're going to put it in this baggie and see how the next slime is. And I'm trying to get all the slime from this one out so we can have a difference. Okay. Here's the first slime, just remember. Here's the first slime. Okay, now I'm going to do it the second time and it's going to be with my hands again. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. So I'm going to do it like I did last time, add some more shaving cream. What? Hold on, let's see what time it is. 12, okay. Okay. Now I'm going to add some activator. I hope I don't add too much because this is my left hand. I'm scared. Okay. I feel like the truth is the reason it comes together so quick is because whenever you mix it with a spoon, the reason you have to knead it is because whenever you knead it, all the stuff like that has it wet and stuff, and then whenever it starts getting good, that's because all of the like materials and like the ingredients you use absorbs in your hand. So that's why it comes together so quick when you use your hands. This feels good. So I'm gonna mix my other slime and the first slime and with my second slime. It just feels a little bit fluffier because I added more shaving cream. But I'm gonna add. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and now you guys can see it. I'm gonna get my first slime.
That's like a bluish color.
Which one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like especially. This is kind of like a slime smoothie. Okay. That's what the finals look like. Peek-a-boo. So it's kind of good. Here, tell me if you like it.
Oh.
Yeah?
That's weird. Yeah.
Here, let me feel that. Where'd you get this?
You left that on my hands.
I did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So I just need it.
You should mix it in. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe
Turn on the post notifications.
and like this video. Hope you
you
like
like
this
this
video. Bye.